What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing my turn signal and my reverse lights. I'm going to be changing those to LEDs. Well, I already did, so I'm just going to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. Alright, so you got to remove this piece. Go. So next you remove these two 8mm bolts, 8mm socket. That's that. Alright, so after you take out these two, you pull the light towards you like this. Pull it out. So what you want to do is get this, put under here. So you can rest the light on. So I put this here just to protect the paint. Pull it out. Now, as you can see, I already had mine in there. So this is the Lasfit. I think the number is 7440. So you take out the original bulb, slide this one in. And I think it is, there's a right and a wrong way to do it. So if you put it in and it don't work, you pull it back out, flip it around and put it back in, and you should be good to go. Once you do that, so it's 7440 for the turn signal and T15 for the reverse light. I'll put the links in the description for you guys. Just slide it back in like that, and then turn it to lock it back in. So make sure you turn it all the way till you feel it click. And that's that for this piece. All you gotta do is put it back in. So it has two clips, one here, that goes into these two holes. First you line up the holes. Push this in. Make sure when you're removing this, be careful when you're pulling it out to you this way, because you don't want to break the clip that's at the front. So you're gonna have to use a little bit of force to get it off, but just make sure you don't use too much because you don't want to break that clip. And that's it for this piece. Now you just gotta put this back on. And you're all done. Now these are a little bit more difficult to do. First you want to get your pry tool, pry that out, and your reverse is this one. So, turn to your left, take it out. This is your T15 bulb. So you take out the original, push this one back in. Alright, so to make it easier, when you get it out, unplug this, just to make it easier to put it back in. And then you just re-plug the wire. And you're done. I'm gonna do this one to show you as well, guys. So you get your pry tool. Right from this corner, comes out, unplug the wire, make it easier. This is a T10, they're all Lasfit. Slide it in here, like that, plug it back in. There you go, it's working, and all we gotta do is get it back in here, and you're done. Alright guys, so that's how you do all your bulbs in the rear and the trunk. So let me know what you think. So as you can see, it's very easy to do, and as usual, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.